Good morning, team. I hope everybody's had a good evening. I actually got some sleep, like my type of sleep. I attribute it to the creek beside me kept that white noise all night long, which is very calming. But anyways, don't know how far I'm going today, to be honest. I'm either gonna go 11 and a half or 13 and a half, I think. Not sure. Let's see how I feel. So I stopped yesterday right before the climb for the next shelter, which is like 2 miles away. I'm kind of regretting that right now. I am not awake enough, nor had enough coffee to be tackling this climb. Oh my God. It's too early for the shenanigans. Too early. But I think I'm almost done. I think. I'm not sure. I've been climbing for almost half an hour, so I should almost be done with this climb. But I just want to share that with you. I'll probably gonna rethink stopping right before I climb for the night. Yeah, because I'm like struggling right now. I did have breakfast and coffee, but still too early. Too early for this madness. All right, team, let's tackle this. We got this. Well, team, the Lick Creek Bridge is washed out, as you can see. So I have to forge the river or the creek right over here. Luckily, there is a rope. I will put my backpack on really loose, not attached. The river doesn't seem to be running that fast, but you never know. It's deceiving. I'm gonna take my shoes off, put my Crocs on, and do this. We did it. That water was so cold. Oh my God. Now I'm just gonna dry out, actually get some water because I need water, and continue on. Not too terribly bad. Hi team, I am eating lunch at this gravel road, and there's water caches. Let me show you. Apparently it's dry for the next 4 miles, so I'm gonna load up here with water. And here's my lunch: beef jerky and pita bread. I am starting a 4-mile climb. Not very excited about it, but it must be done. So let's get it done. But I'm not excited about it. I just found a little fairy gnome village. How cute! Look at that. Granted, it doesn't, follow the principles of leave no trace, but it's too cute to not love it. And I got some water from the cache. The water cache. The water tastes gross, so I'm gonna get some of this water, which tastes better. Oh, I like spring water so much better than regular water now. So after an hour and about 45 minutes of climbing, I have come to this interesting clearing, but According to my far out terrain map, I'm not done climbing. Sorry, I am out of breath. Whew. So this is very confusing. This flat spot, even though I still have not reached the summit of this mountain. I shall find out. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see the moon in this clear, clear sky. Look at that. Oh my God. And it's like the middle of the day. Isn't that amazing? Oh my goodness. And the skies are so clear. Beautiful. I'm telling you, I am like dying here, but the things I see just take my breath away. Wow. Once again, unexpected stuff. There is a pond right here in the middle of all this. It's not big. I believe that there's a water source according to my map, so I'm sure that's what's feeding this. Well, yeah, I don't know if I told you, but I'm climbing 5,000 feet mountain. So interesting to find this in the middle of it. And I believe I'm going up that way now, so let's keep on going. Look at these mountain formations. It almost looks like somebody took their fingers and just dragged them down. Wow. All right, let's keep on climbing. This right here is camp for the night. There's a couple other hikers here. And I'll be staying at this shelter that used to be a Warren's house, from what I read. And I'll show you the inside. And they turned it into a shelter. I'm not sure what year it was built, but as you can see, there used to be a fireplace there. And of course, like a bulletin board, and yeah, just bunks. I already set up my stuff here. I open these windows, they pull back. But this is really neat, as you can see. Yeah, and the views are spectacular. Let me show you. So I came from down there, up here, and
okay, right, I'm going to go because I need to get myself.
it is absolutely gorgeous. I bet the sunset's going to be amazing, and the sunrise. Cannot wait. This is the end of my day. Today I did 11.2. Not my longest, but I will try to do 15 tomorrow. The terrain's supposed to be better, whatever that means. But today was absolutely gorgeous, super sunny, nice, gorgeous views. So can't complain. It was a great day, and I got to see the moon in the middle of the day. Can't compete with that. So besides that, I guess that's all I have. Uneventful, just beautiful views, which you saw already on the video. I hope everybody has a good evening, and I will see you in the morning.